Welcome to the Sorcerer Summit. Step into the grid with us, where strategies become legend and magic shapes the outcome. Each month, sorcerers from across the realm will gather for a test of skill, strategy, and creativity. The tournament is more than just a competition, it's a proving ground where decks are refined, strategies are tested, and legends are forged. Whether you're a seasoned strategist or just beginning your journey, there is a place for you here. Every match is a chance to hone your skills, prove your prowess, and with exciting prizes awaiting the champions. And remember, every loss is a chance to learn and come back stronger. The battlefield is yours to command. Your journey begins now. Sign up today, and together, let's shape the future of sorcery.